What's up, YouTubers? Welcome to Grips Clips. Today we're going to be talking about cleaning the air filter on a Exmark Metro 36 with a Kawasaki FS41V. So, break it down. We just undo the air filter housing screws, 90-degree turn, it lifts off easy. Then you have a clamp that holds your air filter on. It has a little grip on it so you can, clips, so you can actually unscrew it without a screwdriver. It's a worm gear, but it has this nice little handle on it. So you pull back the tube a little bit, wiggle it out, and then it comes out. Now folks, this air filter is dirty, as you can tell. The way I do this is I take off the foam filter that surrounds the air filter, like so. And I get some type of cleaning solution, whether it be like a royal purple, simple green, Dawn dish soap, whatever you got handy, guys. You don't have to go to the hardware store or the auto parts. Spray it off, clean it out very well, dry it off, and you want to come back and spray it with some type of oil. If you got like I have dirt bike air filter oil, so you spray that, and what that help does is catch the small contaminants that won't go through here. It'll get stuck to the oil. But you got to do this frequently. You don't want to do it once a year. You know, if you're mowing 3 yards a day, you want to do it every week. It's cheap maintenance. And the air filter itself, you can replace it once a year, but as you clean your foam filter, you want to shake this out. Don't blow it with high pressure. You'll rip the paper. Shake it on a fence. Just get all the dust out as much as you can. Put this back on it then spray it down with the oil. So let me go ahead and clean this, shake this, and I'll be back, Grips. Alright guys, I'm back. And I have the filter that's cleaned, the foam part of the filter. As you can see here, like new. And what I do is I normally get a towel, just kind of put it in a towel, squeeze it dry. Make sure you try to get all the water out before you do that, before you spray the oil on it. Give it a little shake. And I already shook the air filter out, so we're good there. So you put this back on, good as new. And of course, I'm kind of a maintenance freak, so I like to clean off any extra stuff like this. I'll get me a little cleaner on here. Be careful you don't put nothing back in the air filter container. Okay. I'm gonna get our oil and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. Now I use something again from my dirt bike. It's a Fab 1 spray on air filter oil. You can probably use anything that's oil. You can actually use motor oil. Don't pour it on here, just pour some on your hand, kind of slightly wipe it. You want a small, thin layer to help give that extra protection. So I just, essentially, this is very thick oil. Just spray a little bit on here. And you're good to go. Then just slip it back in here. Tighten your clamp up. This clamp's really nice, it's convenient, you don't need a screwdriver in case you're out in the field. You want to kind of get it tight as you can. Wipe out the filter. There you have it, guys. Clean air filter for the Exmark. Again, it's recommended to do it as much as you can. It's not going to hurt anything. It's only going to help. A dirty air filter will lead to engine failure at some point with the oil. So small, cheap maintenance, DIY, do it yourself. Peace, Grips.